This is Geo of the Information Girls, and today I want to talk to you about how to share a playlist. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to your home page and then click playlist. Okay, now you can, if you don't see all your playlist on the page, all you have to do is click create playlist and then all of them will show up like this. Okay. Now, the next thing you want to do is click on the playlist that you want to share. So I want to click on the Informations Girls playlist. So I'm going to click on View Full Playlist. View Full Playlist. Click there. Now, once I'm here, I can see all of my videos in this playlist. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is click on the little arrow here where it says share. If you hover over the arrow, it'll say share. Now you want to click there. Now you can share it to Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp. You can email it, talk. If you click this arrow, you can go across and see the other social media sites that you can share to. Okay. Now, if you want to just copy the link and put it somewhere, put it on a social media site or your website or anything like that, you'll just copy the uh, the link here, and then it would say link copy to your clipboard. And then you just go and paste it wherever you want. So that is how you share out a playlist. This is Geo of the Information Girls. No rumors, just the facts. If you have not joined the Information Girls, do so today.
Information girls, we got the goals, we got strategies where dreams come true. Let's rock this chat, don't need no flag. Got a lot of things to keep intact. So pack that channel and show some loving. No rumors, just the facts. Don't you get